Hey kids, this is your channel BioPoint, Stream the World of Bio. And today I am here with you to share a very important update regarding NEET 2021, that is exam codes, qualifying examination codes, about the complete information from code 1 to code 7. Yes, everybody. So hope everybody have started their registrations for NEET 2021. Once again, reminding, don't forget to clearly recheck, because we don't know whether the application portal will be opened again for correction or not. So whenever you are doing it for the first time itself, please make sure you read the information bulletin, you insert the images, files, the PDF, everything as per their requested size, whatever. Okay. So very important information, examination code, complete information from code 1 to code 7, and to which category of codes you belong to, or to which code you should enter in the registration form. Yes. So let's discuss about what does code 1 to code 7 is all about. Yes, let's get going. This will be a short video just to make you aware that the NEET registration or application have already started. And one more important request for everybody is that don't wait till the last date of the examination or registration to register yourself, because maybe something may happen, and if you are not able to register, we cannot attend. There won't be a second chance for us. So please be careful that you apply it as soon as possible. Get all the things necessary for these, as I've already posted a video 2 months back itself regarding the application, what are the documents required, and recently also I've posted what are the different documents and what are the materials required, like photograph, postcard size and passport size, your 10th passing certificate, everything. So you can watch that video. The link will be there in our playlist session. Yes, everybody. So let's check about this. What is the different code in the NEET qualifying? What are the different examination qualifying code stands for? Code number 1. Code number 1 is for class 12 students of 2021 who are awaiting their result. Who are awaiting their result. Results not came yet. Okay, those persons who have done the examination this year, that is a fresher batch of 2021 NEET, must give their examination qualifying code as 1. Done? Either it is CBSE, it's ISC or state board, you must give the code as 1. Next, code 2 is for the class 12 pass the ISC, CBSE and ISC, CBSE students. State board students as well. Okay, state board students, that is all the repeaters. All the repeaters comes under code number 2. Okay, all repeaters, all class 12 already passed the students of 2020 or 2019, 2018, repeaters, re-repeaters, re-repeaters, everybody comes under the column of code number 2. Code number 3 is for the class 12 passed under any board or university. That is any board or university equivalent. That is mainly, this is not applicable for many of us. It will be applicable to few students belonging to Karnataka and all. You will see they are applying. But generally, this will be less in number. Code 3 for students will be less in number. That is actually pre-degree or some equivalent courses. After your 10th, you go for certain professional degree courses. Okay. Code number 4 is applied for class 12 passed students and who are doing B.Pharm, BAMS, BDS, BHMS or whatever related course. Any course related under NEET or your state medical examination. Any courses related to the medical field, you can give the code number 4. BSc graduates, that is BSc first year students, BSc second year students, BSc third year students who have not completed their exams can give the code as number 5. If you are a BSc graduate and you have completed your BSc course, you have to give the code as code number 6. If you are an NRI certificate, if you're holding an NRI certificate, or if you are a foreign student, foreign country, then you have to give the code number 6, and any equivalent to intermediate science examination or Indian board, any other equivalent examination, you can give code number 7. I hope it's perfectly clear. Code number 1 for class 12 students who are awaiting their results. Code number 2 for class 12 already passed the students, mainly repeaters, re-repeaters, droppers, must give the code as 2. Code number 3 is for the class 12 passed from any board or universities other than CBSE state and ISC boards. Number 4, class 12 passed the students doing B.Pharm, BAMS, BHMS, BDS, everything, etc. And code number 5 is applicable for BSc graduates who have not attended and completed their degree course of 3 years. Number 6, BSc completed students or NRI students. Code number 7 of any other examination which are not related to the above 6 codes. Done, everybody. So thank you so much. This was a short video. Don't forget to hit the like button, do share it with your friends, and subscribe the amazing platform of biology. Bye-bye, everybody.